So now let's see how we can work around with these sketch motion annotations inside of Camtasia. So for that, I'm just going to go around over here on this tab right here in annotation, and here you can see that there are certain shapes. But unlike other annotations, these shapes are animated, meaning let's say for example, if I were to keep my cursor over here, I'm going to go around and drag the shape right here, just like this. So what happens is that you don't see anything, but as soon as I play this out, you can see that it actually is a stroke animation, just like that. So let me just go around and drag it over here, and you can see that this is how it animates over time. So over here, if you were to go on to the sketch motion option, you can see that you can choose the color for this, just like this. You can increase the thickness, just like that. And you can choose the draw line as well. So just like that, what you can see, it says draw time. So you can increase the time or decrease the time, just like that. So you can see that there's no draw time right here. So it immediately appears. But if I were to increase the time, let's say for around 1 second, just like that, and you can see that it draws around in 1 second. You can also go around and draw it around maybe in 0.3 seconds right here. And if I were to play it, you can see that it is much more faster. So you can choose the draw time, the thickness, the color, just like that. And then you can also flip it horizontally so that it draws it from another side, just like that, or flip it vertically as well. So you can go around, bring in something like this, as you can see right here. So that's the arrow. You can flip it horizontally, flip it vertically, just like that as well. Increase the thickness and increase the draw time, the color, and everything else. You can also go around and resize this out, just like that. Pull it out, and just like that, rotate it out as well. And all the animation right here is preserved out, just like that. So let me just decrease the draw time right here. Let's see how it works. And that's how it works out. So that is how the sketch motion annotations work, and how you can work it with its properties inside of Camtasia. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.